Class is dismissed. But before you go, I need to make an announcement. Tomorrow morning, there is going to be a fire drill, and I need you to behave. No! I don't want to do the fire drill. The fire alarms scare people for no reason, including me. Too bad, Billy. This is only one way to keep us all safe. I'm scared. I don't want to do the fire drill tomorrow. I want to cancel it for good. Something gives me an idea. I can break all the school fire alarms so we can do no more fire drills forever. I'll do this at 1 a.m. I am bringing a hammer and a bag full of rocks. I'm gonna break the fire alarms. Not even the security camera is watching me. Time to do what I must do. Yay! I broke the fire alarms. No more scary fire alarms ever again. Billy Spunky Gal, please report to my office immediately. Billy, do you know what happened? I saw everything on the security cameras that happened at 1 a.m. I don't know. You don't know? Let's play the footage, because you have something to deal with this. Now would you mind explaining this? I broke the fire alarms, because fire alarms scare me to death and they're very loud. Just as I expected. Billy, you know breaking school property is illegal. We have fire alarms to protect the building from getting burned. You want to know what happens if there was a fire and there were no fire alarms at all? The building could be permanently burned down. So you don't ever do that to school property. Go home now. You're never ever coming back to Toontastic Elementary School for the rest of your life. Go home now. Here's your expulsion paper. It's for your parents to sign. You are no longer to come back to the school. Go home now. Billy, I cannot believe it. Are you serious with us? We cannot believe you got expelled from school for breaking fire alarms in school. That is illegal. We also have to pay the school $100 for what you did. That's it. We are calling the police to send you to jail. No. I don't want to be in jail. I'm so sorry. I won't do it again. Nope, too late for apologies, but we're still calling the police.